So how can you use the iPad microphone instead of the headphone microphone for whatever you are doing on your iPad? Let's just get started. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. So if you have the Bluetooth headset connected to your iPad, you can check out the Bluetooth section and see all of your connected devices. And when you find yours, you can tap on the information icon next to it and essentially check out the device type. So you get to specifically decide what exactly it is, right? And you just don't want to select it to be something like headphones or, something that could have or utilize the microphone, right? You might want to choose it to be a speaker or something else, but you don't want it to be, for example, the headphones, right? Because it will just then route the audio from the microphone of your headphone and not from the iPad. Another thing you can check out if you have a wired microphone connected to the iPad is the USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter, right? It kind of looks like this, where you connect it to the iPad and it has like the green and red port. Obviously, there is one for the input of audio and the other is for output, and you can then decide where you plug each thing. So if you have wired headphones, you put it and connect it to the output only, and you connect microphone to the input, right? And therefore you decide specifically which microphone and which headphone you want to use, right? So this is just a general guide. Let me know what specifically is going on with your device, or if you managed to do what you needed. Most definitely stay tuned for quick tips like this one, and I'll catch you later in the future videos.